GFIT was absolutely transformational for my career. I joined the GFIT program because I wanted to help develop the medical device industry here in Western Australia. I also wanted the chance to learn from the best of the best in medtech innovation, to see how they do things at the highest level and to bring that knowledge back home.
Every single day, I find some difficulties and some constraint in my practice. So I want to fix the problem, but I want to find the best solution that's good for Taiwanese people and fit for our current environment.
I was drawn to GFIT because I wanted to learn how to not only practice biodesign, but also how to teach and scale it. At that time, Brazil had very few structured programs in health innovation, and GFIT was the best way to bring Stanford Biodesign's methodology and culture to our ecosystem.
I think one of the most rewarding and powerful aspects of Stanford Biodesign is just how translatable this process is to other environments, to other challenges, and how with just a small group of people focused and using methodologies that they can change opportunities for patients wherever they are.
I joined the GFIT teaching team because I really believe in empowering institutions around the world to build the same type of transformative healthcare innovation ecosystem that we have here at Stanford.
The Global Faculty Training Program, which we lovingly call GFIT, is very different from all of our other offerings at Stanford Biodesign. It's the only program where we teach how to do the biodesign process, we teach how to teach the biodesign process, and we demonstrate how to build or scale up a biodesign-like program at your institution. Our trainees develop fluency in the biodesign methodology through real-world biodesign projects. They also learn to implement the tools and frameworks for teaching biodesign through simulated coaching sessions with our most experienced biodesign coaches.
The GFIT program drilled into some of the hardest parts of teaching biodesign, the stuff that you can't learn from a book. We covered how to mediate conflicts between founders, how to engage busy clinicians as mentors, and how to structure programs for lasting success. My GFIT project spun out into a company called Earflow, where we're developing a device to non-invasively treat young children with chronic ear infections.
After I finished my GFIT program training, we started a program in Taipei Medical University called Fellow Faculty Program. We recruit medical staffs from these 3 affiliated hospitals, including nurses and including physicians. If you are going to start from scratch, that is much easier for you to follow the steps.
GFIT was definitely a turning point in my career. After the program, I founded 2 health tech companies using the biodesign principles. And today I lead the innovation area at a hospital Israelita Albert Einstein in Brazil, one of the largest philanthropic not-for-profit healthcare systems in Latin America. And what I learn as GFIT helps me every day, from teaching innovation to building partnerships with industry and also with the startups. One highlight was being part of a truly international faculty and training, each of us learning not only from Stanford, but also from each other's context.
There are 2 ways to join. The first is a full-time, in-person, immersive experience where you're based here on campus and you get to connect with Stanford Biodesign faculty and the broader Stanford community. The second is a virtual track, fully online and part-time. This allows for participants with busy schedules who can't come to Stanford to be able to participate and get the most out of the experience, connecting with our Stanford faculty and still having the chance to come visit us in 2 in-person visits.
So in the virtual program, we have live meetings over Zoom a couple times a week. And these are really working sessions. These are not lectures. And then there's content that's thoughtfully delivered offline through readings and videos to kind of drive the key learnings about the biodesign innovation process, in addition to, of course, independent working time on the innovation project.
When you're applying to the GFIT program, it's critical to have your institution's support so that when you return home afterward, you can leverage that learning to build a successful and sustainable biodesign program at your home institution.
The GFIT program has been running for over 10 years, and we've had immense impact around the world.
GFIT doesn't just teach innovation, it helps you build it into the DNA of your institution. It equips you with a world-class process, a global network, and all the skills and knowledge to transform your local medtech innovation ecosystem.
Join us and become part of the global biodesign family.